Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenFit 2 Plus earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an LG Smart TV via Bluetooth. Now this is the LG TV that has WebOS. So the first thing we want to do is put these earbuds into pairing mode, okay? So the buds are in the case. I'm going to open up this lid. I'll know it's in pairing mode if the light here is blinking green, orange, green, orange, green, orange. However, I get a solid green light and then it goes off. The reason for me is because I'm currently connected to one of my phones. So let me manually put this in a pairing mode, okay? So both the earbuds in the case, and there's a little button right there. I'm gonna press and hold that button and wait until the light here blinks, green, orange, green, orange, green, orange. Okay, so button here, ready, go. Press and hold, keep holding. Wait, green, orange, there we go. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our TV. And you wanna go to settings, okay? You can navigate to the settings on your remote if you have that button. If not, just go to the home page, click on the home button on the remote, and then once you're here, you can navigate to the setting gear icon. So let me move over to the left here.
When I'm not making...
And then I'm gonna go down to settings right there, okay on the remote. Now the settings gear icon is highlighted. That's what I want, so let me okay that. And it's moving that little circle thing, so give it 1 second here. Now from here, on the left pane here, we want to go down to sound, okay? So go down to sound, and then we're going to select that. And now we're going to go down to sound out, okay? Currently it says TV speaker, that's where the audio is coming out of. Well, we wanted to come out of these. So let's select sound out. And then we're going to go down to use wireless speaker right there. Let's select that. Select Bluetooth device. And now we want to go ahead and go down, and in the very bottom here, you see that little circle thing? It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, which is about 30 feet Bluetooth range. These are still in the pairing mode, and it already did find the SHOKZ right there. So let me just go ahead and highlight it. Highlight it and then click on OK on the remote. And voila, it says connected down there. It's also said connected up there. So there you go. So we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had issues, couldn't put it in pairing mode or pairing or connecting problems, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look for that link in the description area.